Hello, do you own or are you working on an older model mobile home furnace and need help with parts and repairs? I can help. We stock over 30,000 parts in our warehouse for the older Coleman and Nordyne furnaces going back to the late 70s. Some parts have been discontinued, but we still reproduce them in our factory in Arizona. We have opened up our online store to sell and help everyone. We realize not everyone can afford an expensive contractor, so if you can follow directions or watch a video, we can help you get your furnace back up and running with the least amount of money. Just send me an email today with your questions.